Let's do this one more time. Oh, Ukhrul! Yeah, that's more like it. This next song is a prayer. It's a prayer for all the brave sisters and brothers and fathers and mothers who risk their lives every day. The brave souls of the soldiers, the freedom fighters. This song is wishing they can come home safely. This song is called Borders. He was leaving for a cause. His father would approve of only the applause, and every heart shape broke through season so clearly. Hey! Oh, oh, where have you taken it? My faith is wounded, wounded. So that I keep becoming. I hope you can dance. This next song is called Artificial Singers. There's this tale going around, you know, like throughout all the Northeast. All the people in Manipur know how to sing, they said. I wasn't sure, like, I want to put it to the test. I want to see if all the people in Manipur know how to sing. Will you follow me? Let's do this old school style. Oh my God, that was beautiful, that was beautiful. Yep, this is our first time in Manipur. Yeah, and we are loving it, yeah. But there's one thing I want to say. One thing very, very important. That is, I am 100% sure that Ukhrul has the best rice beer in all the Northeast. Am I right? Am I right? Damn, those rice beers, they hit you hard, you know. This next song is all about having fun and getting wasted. So we want to dedicate this song to the rice beer of Ukhrul. If that makes any sense. This song is called After the After Party. Come on! If that's how you wanna play, I'll stay. But I'm ever gonna see when you're playing hard to get. Makes me want you even more. In conversations, you act like you're shy, avoiding the devil to try. Situations they put for us, all in a cry. What is to come? Set that the fire so burn. If it's how you wanna play, I'll say. But am I ever gonna see when you're playing hard to get? Makes me want you even more. Breakdown. Oh, you're in trouble now. When you're hard to get, makes me want you more. Now I just gotta see if it's how you wanna play. I'll stay, but am I ever gonna see when you're playing hard to get? Makes me want you even more. One, two, three, you fell for me. Ukhrul, it has been an honor performing for you. We are Foreign Records. Thank you. Good night. Hey!
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, do you you want some more? I know you do. I know you do. But please, stay tuned. That was all for tonight. Those were all for tonight. Thank you so much for being with us, for being with this show, for being with ShiRock till now. Those were all for tonight. Thank you so much. With that band, we have come to the end. We have come to the end of ShiRock band competition. The results of the top winner will be out tomorrow, starting 6 p.m. Bakshi Ground. So please be here on time tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Yes, he was right. We're going to announce the results of the Tribal Euphony as well as the ShiRock band competition tomorrow. And we would like to see you again. Be here at 6 sharp tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. And we will make sure that you are entertained. Thank you. It has been the best and the best night ever. And the best crowd, isn't it, Sosim?
It is. Hell yeah, it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 4th day of ShiRock, brought to you by the state of Manipur, powered by Tourism Department. Ladies and gentlemen, please be here on time. Tomorrow, same time, same place, Bakshi Ground. Until then, we will get to you with more rounds of entertainment.
Until then, say good night!
Woo!
See you tomorrow!
This event, this show, ShiRock, the management is all managed by Youth Street News. Please show some love. Follow the Instagram page, the Facebook page, the official account of Youth Street News. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen.
One last time, say goodbye!
Okay, Ukhrul, good night. Good night, everybody. Mang Pamel say. Ningshina Haira. Ningshina Haira. Good brothers of Ukhrul and brethren from beyond. This is all for tonight. Thank you so much. Onya sumenasai. To the Japanese crowd, to the Japanese tourists among the crowd. Onya sumenasai. Good night, everyone. Tomorrow, Queensryche is here in the town. Queensryche. Please be here on time, here on Bakshi Ground. Ladies and gentlemen, good people of Ukhrul and brethren from beyond, Queensryche is here on town. And for tonight, good night, everybody. Au revoir. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Onya shuminasai.